dog's story. Hi, this is Sam, my owner. This is Andrea, Sam's wife. Me, Andrea and Sam live in a small house in New York. The house was getting smaller for us as I am growing, so we decided to shift to a bigger house. We packed our stuff. Soon the mover's truck came at the building. That day, there was another family that was moving and there was another truck outside. I saw sausages inside the truck and I jumped in greeting. I was busy eating, didn't realize the truck was ready, and the shutter started getting closed. It was some time later that I realized and I got frozen in fear. The truck driver heard me and opened his window to check the truck luggage. He saw me shocked. After dropping the luggage of the other owners, he asked them if I was theirs. They denied. The driver took me to a police station in his car. The police dropped me to a pet store named Billy's Pet Store. The pet seller washed me and put me in a cage. I looked around and there were so many other dogs in the shop stuck in different cages. There was a dog who kept barking on me. His name was Pine. I barked back in anger. The pet seller was nice, he brought us food. Both me and Pine were angry. We bit the pet seller's hands and he cried in pain. The pet seller was taken to a hospital by other people. Me and Pine felt sad that we had hurt the man. Meanwhile, Sam and Andrea were looking for me. They went to the police station to lodge a complaint. The police checked the files and told Sam and Andrea that I was taken to a pet store called Billy's Pet. Andrea ran to Billy's Pet store to check if I was there. She saw me and was so happy reuniting with me. I was jumping in joy. I saw Pine be sad because no one could see me. I sadly barked and pointed at Pine. Andrea understood that Pine was now my friend. She and Sam brought Pine with her. Lived happily ever after in our new house.